Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to forward calls from SIM 1 to SIM 2 on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02 and settings, tap the connections. And connections, okay, tap the SIM card manager. And SIM card manager, okay, tap the more SIM card settings. And here in more SIM card settings, tap the dual SIM always on. And dual SIM always on, you can see the select SIM card, okay, tap this. And okay guys, there are options here, okay. Okay, you can select the only forward calls from SIM 1 to SIM 2, okay, tap this. And after you select this, okay, tap the done button below. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully forward calls from SIM 1 to SIM 2 on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.